Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off pop-up blocker on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Let us start with Safari. Imagine you are browsing and encounter a pop-up window asking for a login or information. To disable pop-up blocking in Safari, begin by opening Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Safari. Look for the compass icon. Once in Safari settings, continue scrolling until you find Block Pop-ups. Tap the toggle switch next to Block Pop-ups. To turn it off, the toggle should turn gray, allowing pop-ups to appear. Now let's go over managing pop-up settings in Google Chrome. If Chrome is your preferred browser, follow these steps. Open the Chrome app on your iPhone and look for the three dots in the bottom right corner. Tap the dots to open the Chrome's menu. Then swipe through the options until you see Settings and select it. Scroll down to Content Settings to manage your browsing options. At the top, locate Block Pop-ups. To disable the blocker, tap the toggle switch next to Block Pop-ups. When the toggle is off, Chrome will allow pop-ups while you browse. And that is everything you need to know about how to turn off pop-up blocker on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.